I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by taking essential, immediate actions that often restore the start menu. Sign out and sign back in to refresh your session. This clears transient glitches. Next, make sure Windows Update is current because system patches often fix start-related bugs. Once done, restart File Explorer via Task Manager, end the Explorer. EXE process, then run a new task named Explorer. EXE. These steps address session-level and interface problems quickly, so test the Start menu after each one to see if the issue is resolved. You now move to repairing underlying system components when quick fixes fail. Open PowerShell as administrator and re-register, start menu apps with the getAppX package and addApps package commands. This reinstalls broken app registrations. Then run System File Checker in an elevated command prompt with sfc/scano to restore corrupted files. If SFC finds problems it cannot fix, use dism with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image. These steps handle deeper file and registration corruption. You finish by isolating and resolving persistent cases. Create a new local administrator account and sign in. If the Start menu works there, the issue is profile-specific, so migrate your data. If the problem began after a recent update, roll back that update or run system restore to a point before the change. As a final, reliable fix, perform an in-place upgrade using the Windows 10 Media tool to reinstall Windows while preserving files and apps. If nothing helps, one key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.